No mathaa manini mbere ya gutafanio kwa ndereti ya bururi iria igakuruhania anini a huraniri giturwa kia president. No na mbere ya mehariria ma ndereti ino gutiriho, ahariria a ndereti ino ni magite na igutha inene thutha wa munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto kwirikana ati ndakanyita itemi ndereti ino na handu-ini hake agakorwo kambini-ini cia Jubilee mwena wa gicua-ini. Handu-ini hake Ruto agatuma mubunge wa Kikuyu Kimani Ichung'wa. Francis Munyoki uria ni umwe wa aria maratongoria hari mehaririria maya ni augire mehaririria maya ni mathiete na mbere o wega.
Already the preparations are already underway in making sure that we are ready for the candidates tomorrow. The stage is set. The teams are rehearsing and making sure that we are ready for the running mates debate tomorrow, 17th of July, and for the presidential debate on the 24th of July.
Munyoki augite ati ndereti ino igakuruhania anini a huraniri giturwa kiu na gutire mundu ungi ugetikirio kurugamirira mundu o wothe.
Tomorrow we are having a debate for the running mates. Anyone who is not a running mate will not be allowed to debate.
Kiambiriria-ini kia mweri uyu ndereti ya huraniri ya giturwa kia president ni atiririo thutha wa githagathago kugumira ndereti iyo kuria mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta na mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya NASA Raila Odinga maugire matikanyita itemi ndereti-ini ino. Ikereka ria mbere rikambiriria thaa 10:30 na rio ikereka ria keri riambiririe thaa 2 cia utuku. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Maina wa Mwangi.